Cisco Silicon One is not a single device that spans an entire network. It's one architecture with many devices, which can span the web scale and service provider networks. This concept is revolutionary in its simplicity, but incredibly difficult to accomplish. In fact, Cisco spent $1 billion to develop this technology. The result, the culmination of this work, one network, one form factor, one design, culminating in one experience for our customers. With one network, customers can now deploy a single architecture that spans the service provider network with deep buffered routers all the way down to the power and cost-optimized web-scale top-of-rack switches. With one form factor, customers can now reconfigure the ports to be Ethernet or Fabric. This allows us to build fixed pizza boxes, modular line cards and fabric cards, and even massive disaggregated systems. And with one design, we can build a 32 by 400 router with a single Q200, while everyone else in the industry requires between 2 and 10 pieces of silicon to build the same box. Amazingly, with that same box design, you can use the Q200L for an incredibly power-efficient 32 by 400 gig switch. One design also means that you can program the larger systems to provide a fully scheduled and non-blocking ingress VOQ fabric, or you can program it so that each line card processor and fabric element behave as an independent switch. This level of convergence between one network, one form factor, and one design touches the entire ecosystem. Quite simply, it's a fundamental shift in the industry. From here on, everything's different. With this approach, hardware engineers can build one product that can take on unique personalities, enabling them to bring better products to market faster. Software engineers can port a single SDK and write and debug features once, resulting in higher quality and faster time to market. Network architects can simplify their network by deploying uniform and optimized products. Facility operators can save money with simpler provisioning and lower ongoing electricity costs. And finally, network operators can train their support teams with one architecture, minimizing downtime and operational expenses. These benefits build on one another to create an environment unlike anything we've seen. And that's especially important just as providers need to increase their bandwidth for 5G rollouts and 4K video. We're here with a fundamentally different value proposition. But convergence doesn't matter if the products we build aren't best in class. The beauty of Cisco Silicon One is how we've seamlessly layered all of this functionality on itself, avoiding the traditional explosion of silicon area for additional features. The result? Hands down the fastest routing silicon on the planet, while simultaneously achieving the power efficiency of switching. With Cisco Silicon One, we can power one architecture, one SDK, one forwarding code, one form factor, and one design to power one network and one experience for our customers. And all this without compromise, and in a class all its own.